Good morning, Icky here. It is Tuesday the 18th, I think, and I'm standing back here in the future garden area slash chicken pen. Seems to be a lot of confusion as to what I'm doing. It's a large area, a couple of 100 feet each way. There's the goat building, there's the chicken house, there's the firewood shed, still under construction. There's the rabbit house. And this whole area is getting fenced in with a division fence in between. So I can rotate the chickens from one side to the other as, you know, 1 year have them in here, have the garden over there, then have the chickens over here, have the garden over here. I think it's an excellent way to improve the soil. I will be spreading the chicken manure from the buildings on the ground and hopefully start to build some topsoil. My version of Back to Eden, but with semi-composted chicken manure rather than wood chips. Anyways, it's about 8:30. Oh, and there's Marmalade taking a stroll. Everyone has been fed and watered, and I just checked the weather forecast. We're calling for a lot of rain starting at about 11 o'clock. So if I'm going to get my post of the day installed, I had best get at it, because it takes me a couple hours. By the way, leaving this just because I think it looks cool, I will plant around it. This is the side that I will be planting first as a garden. So here is my post. Of course, when David was back here with the Mini X, we dug all the holes, but it is basically you fill them by hand. Very little shovel work. So pick up a rock, drop it in the hole, pick up a rock, drop it in the hole. Yeah. Slow, monotonous, dirty work, but I only have 4 more to go, so I'm going to shut up and get at it. Later, people. Okay, have the post sitting in the hole. I have the 2 braces in. I have plumbed it both ways. I have sighted from that corner post way down to that corner post, and this post disappears when I sight down it, so I assume it's in line. Now I just start picking up rocks and very carefully placing in the hole so I don't jostle the bottom of the post. And yeah, repeat a couple 100 times. I've got Elsa back here with me. She seems to like the company. And way back there near the rabbit building is Bailey. She likes to supervise. Anyways, I'm going to get at this because it sure feels like it's going to rain, and I do hear some thunder, so later, people. Okay, it's about 11 o'clock, and we have the post planted, and it is starting to rain. So, yeah, I think I'm going to go hide inside for a while. I'll bring you back if it clears up. Later, people. Okay, it's currently not raining, but I don't know how long that's going to last. Not a lot of leaves left up here, but yeah, winter is fast approaching, people. Very fast approaching. But anyways, they're loud. Anyways, I am enjoying it outside between the rain showers. We shall see how the afternoon progresses. Later. Oh, okay, the rain is held off for a little bit, well, basically, and I've got a second post planted today. First one, second one, only 2 left, but I will tell you, it's not going to be today. I'm going to go sit down for a while. Later, people. And the rain has started again. I got inside for about 2 minutes, but yeah. Anyways, we'll see how long it lasts. And, in the meantime, I'm going to catch up on a bunch of reading I've been procrastinating on. And, yeah, keep busy this afternoon. Later. Well, it's about that time. Sun has set and getting dark quickly. Sorry, chickens. I think it's time to put them away for the night and sign off. So it's the journey, not the destination. And sorry, nothing real exciting has been going on the last couple of days, but hey, it's what I got to deal with. And what am I going to do? Anyhow, later, people.